everybody, Charlie here with the Recon Shop, and today we have a really special repair. This is a 2022 Camaro with a really nasty dent in the passenger side quarter panel. This has damaged the body line and really buckled up over that body line. We're going to be fixing this today using paintless dent repair. If this was compared conventionally, then this entire panel would end up having to be repainted. If you have damage like this and would like to find out if it's a candidate for paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. We're conveniently located here in Cedar Park at 201 Industrial Boulevard. There's no access to this area, so we're going to be using a technique called glue pulling. As we're pulling up, we're having to knock down the outside edges. The entire metal is kind of wrinkled up and buckled, and it's a process to repair this using paintless dent repair. Although paintless dent repair is quicker than conventional body work, this is still a really time-consuming process. The entire goal is to save this original paint job Well, thanks again for watching the repair on this 2022 Chevy Camaro. We were able to save this panel from having to have conventional repair work. This would have been considered an accident on any Carfax. But with paintless dent repair, your Carfax can stay completely clean and it maintains the highest value of your vehicle. If you have damage like this and would like to find out if it's a candidate for paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.